Why looking for signs he regrets losing you keeps you stuck? Hey love, I'm Laquana McIntyre. Welcome or welcome back to the Solo Woman Collective. I help women rebuild the identity that kept choosing the wrong men. Now, if you are Googling signs that he regrets losing you, are you watching tarot readings or are over analyzing his Instagram, Facebook stories, then this video is just for you, because looking for regret feels hopeful, but it's actually what keeps you stuck. So let me explain why in today's video. So ladies, whenever you're looking to see if he regrets losing you, that's almost identical to you looking for closure. And you know my motto, closure is a scam, okay? I really feel like closure is a scam because it keeps you attached unconsciously. So I'm gonna give you a few reasons on why. Sorry, y'all. I'm gonna give you a few reasons though on why looking for signs that he regrets losing you is keeping you stuck. Let's get into number one. So the reason number one is it keeps your focus on him, not you. Just that simple. Every time you look for signs, your energy goes right back to his behavior. So what he posted, who he followed, what that song meant that he shared. Meanwhile, your life is staying on pause. And healing doesn't happen when your attention is parked on someone else's emotions. It happens when you come back to yourself. And I had to learn that the hard way, okay? Because I remember being, Miss Inspector Gadget. And I felt like as long as I wasn't talking to him, that I am becoming a bit better person. But I had to think about it. Majority of my time was trying to research what he's doing. I was doing nothing for myself. So therefore, I was staying stagnant. Let's get into reason number two. Reason number two, regret doesn't equal repair. So a man can miss you. Yes, he can miss you and still never treat you better. He could regret losing access to you without regretting how he showed up. Regret is a feeling. Change is a behavior. Okay, and confusing the two is how women end up reopening up the same wound. I think a lot of women forget that men does not operate in the same space that we operate in, emotionally, logically, mentally. Like, it's just, we're two different creatures that's learning how to coincide with each other, and we need each other. Granted, we need what each other has. But again, what you may do in a situation is not what he will 9 times out of 10 do. I heard someone say this on a video I was watching recently. She said, whatever you do, when it comes to a man, think of him doing the complete opposite. Let's just be honest. That's how opposite that we are. So whatever it is that you may normally do in a circumstance, look at him as doing the opposite. Adopt that mindset when it comes to how he thinks, and I feel like you will never fail yourself every time. You will never fail. Reason number three is that you're trying to get validation, not closure. Let's be honest. So you're not really looking for signs that he regrets you. You're actually looking for proof that you mattered, that you were not crazy, that it meant something to him. But needing his regret to validate your worth is what keeps your self-trust weak. And self-trust is everything, ladies. So you don't need him to confirm what your body already lived through. What your body already lived through in your experiences you went through, that should be enough proof. Reason number four, it's going to keep hope alive without direction. So hope is going to feel real comforting, but vague hope is dangerous. because it doesn't ask the important questions like, what am I building right now? It just asks, what if he realizes too late? And that kind of hope does not move you forward. It just keeps you emotionally available to a situation that already showed you its limits. Reason number 5, it's going to delay the real decision as long as you're waiting to see if he regrets losing you. So you don't have to decide anything. You don't have to grieve. You don't have to let go. You don't have to choose yourself fully. Looking for signs, it feels easier than actually facing the truth. It keeps you insulated. But clarity, ladies, it doesn't come from watching him. It comes from asking yourself, is this still the life that I want? I want you to really sit about and think about that. If nothing changed tomorrow, will I be okay with that? So here's the truth. Here's the truth that most people won't tell you. Whether he regrets losing you or not does not change what the relationship actually gave you. And it doesn't decide your future. You do. You do. And I want you to let that marinate. All right, ladies, pause, okay? I want you to pause for a second. Let whatever landed land. If this video challenged you, hit the subscribe button, because I don't teach feelings, I teach identity. If you're done letting your emotions run your decisions, then you must start with the 7-day survival reset below, because it's identity over emotion every time. I'll see you in the next video, and please, in the meantime, take care of your heart. Bye-bye.